In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images from text using Quen 3, a Chinese AI tool. Of course, you have to log into the portal, and then once you're here, you can come down here and say image generation. You can see some inspirations if you want to take a look. These are some inspirations that you can use the prompt and reuse them if you want interested. But then let's say I want to generate the image of a lion drinking coffee in a bar wearing a hat, sunglasses. Okay, so over here you can specify the sizing. I want to go 16:9, and once you have everything ready, you can just go ahead and click on send. And let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to create for us. And wonderfully, it has created the image for us. Take a look at the quality and the cup of coffee. It is really sitting in a bar and enjoying the coffee. And this thing is downloadable. You can download it free, and then you can share with your friends also if you're interested. So let's try one more time and let's generate something. Okay, can you generate the image of a cat riding a horse in the bush? And we can specify the sizing as well, and then just go ahead and say generate this. And let's see what this is going to generate for us. And surprisingly, it has done the wonders. Look at it. Take a look at what it has generated. A cat riding a horse. But the only thing is that you need to be very specific as regards the detail of the prompts that you are sending to determine what kind of image you are going to get. This is downloadable and shareable as well. So you can go ahead and explore and see what kind of image you can generate with this particular AI tool. This is completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.